Hello everyone, this is our work, Hint, Hierarchical Neuron Concept Explainer. As we all know, a model trained on ImageNet can classify 1,000 categories which include different breeds of dogs, such as Husky and Great Dane, showing the pictures. We didn't tell the model that different breeds of dogs are all dogs. So, we may wonder, does the model know that the higher level concept of dog? And does the model know that dogs and cats are both animals? However, existing methods ignore the inherent connections of different concepts, and thus lose a chance to explain neurons which are responsible for higher-level concepts. Therefore, we propose Hint to study whether and how the implicit hierarchical relationships of concepts are embedded into neurons and hidden layers. As shown in the slide, given a CNN for hidden layer, Hint builds bidirectional associations between neurons and hierarchical concepts in a low-cost and scalable manner. So, how to build associations? There are three main steps shown in the slide. First is responsible region identification. Suppose that the target class is dog. For one dog image, we use silencing map to identify those spatial activations that have high response to dog. We call them responsible regions to dog. And other spatial activations on the feature map are background regions. Next, we repeat the process on many images. Therefore, we obtain the responsible regions to dog and other regions such as background and other concepts. In step 2, we train a classifier, which can be a linear or random forest, to distinguish responsible regions to dog from other regions. One thing interesting is that each dimension of the concept classifier corresponds to a neuron. So, for step 3, we calculate Shapley values for each neuron as a contribution scores to concept dog. Shapley values are fair evaluations between the considered neurons individual and collaborative effect. Next is our results. In this slide, we show responsible neurons to hierarchical concepts on layer feature 30 of VGG19. The thickness of the link indicates that the size of Shapley values. The pictures and heat maps below illustrate the results of applying concept classifier on different images. As we can see, the 445 neuron, see the blue links, is a multimodal one which contributes to many concepts such as mammal, vertebrate, and animal. It is interesting that the 199th neuron contributes to both car and bird. We can see from the heat map that when applying bird classifier to car images, there are also highlighted regions. This slide shows the activation map of the two multimodal neurons. We can see that they do have high activations to different concepts. After obtaining the associations, we may wonder, are they valid? So we do verifications by task of weakly supervised object localization. The logic is, correct concept classifier should successfully locate the target objects. Then, the neural contribution scores derived from the classifier should be correct. The two tables on the slide show that Hint has higher localization accuracy than existing methods across different backbone models on CUB and ImageNet datasets. We also illustrate the object localization results. We can see that both quantitative results and illustrations indicate that the good performance of the concept classifiers, and thus verify the associations built by the Hint. For the ablation study, we first test the effectiveness of different silencing methods, and we find that different silencing methods can be integrated into Hint. Then, we test the effectiveness of Shapley values. We train concept classifiers with 20 neurons selected by Shapley values, classifier coefficients, and randomly selected. The graphs show that the performance of Shapley is considerably better than the other two. Hint is a general framework, It also achieves remarkable performance in a variety of applications, including silencing method evaluation, adversarial attack explanation, and COVID-19 classification model evaluation. Please see the paper for the details of those applications. Thank you very much.